Okay, that's it. We're on to our next destination. I don't know where it is.
We're going down to the house on the Drina first to check that out. That's about 20 minutes away from here. And then we're going to try and cross the border. And if we can, we're going to Bosnia for a little bit. We've come out to the house in the Drina. We'll show you what that's like.
It's like the old lady with the shoe.
It does. The rock looks like a shoe, that's crazy.
So here it is, the gorgeous little Drina River House, or the house on the River Drina, however you like to say it. It's somewhere in the middle of Serbia and Bosnia. And apparently it was built by a group of swimmers who needed shelter, so they did a pretty good job, I'd say. It's had a bit of a bashing from different types of weather. It really is a great sight to see. If you are down these ways, you should come. I think we're about to do a little boat ride or something, I'm not sure. I don't understand Serbian, so they're telling Kevin everything while I'm just filming a little bit for him.
Okay. We're going towards the little house, the house in the Drina. Fishermen's.
Not a big deal, but I wanted to see it. It made me excited. I just think it looks like the little old lady's shoe.
We just reverse parking the boat. You can see the rock underneath the water. Okay, we're on the little island here.
Oh my gosh. There's actually a little kitchen in here and everything.
Oh wow, check this out guys. Can you believe where we are?
This is beautiful.
Look at this, a fridge, there's drinks here.
I don't think that's the kitchen that was here when they built it.
No, probably not.
Some things might be authentic like that. The window looks
old.
Old, yeah.
It's a place called Bajina Basta. So if you're here, do drop in. Look it up, house on the Drina. Okay, this is not the original house on here. They rebuilt it, we've just been informed. That was the original house. This photos here of the original. 2010 it comes up to here, the river came up to here, and you can see that's quite a bit. Look how high the water comes. Okay, the boat trip to the house on the Drina was €6 per person.
Definitely worth it.
Yes.
Definitely worth it. It was a fantastic experience. So just for a bit of fun, we've decided to go and have lunch in Bosnia. And then we'll be heading back to Belgrade. So.
And that makes Bosnia a 45th country. We're going to a town called Resemblance over in Bosnia. We're actually crossing the Drina over to the other side. We've been so close these past few days, but we haven't been to the other side of the Drina. And here we go.
So we're going to turn off now because we're going through the border, and we'll see you in Bosnia.
Country number 45, woohoo, we made it!
We've got 5 to go.
To get 50.
We wanted to make it to 50 before we give up and retire.
No, I'm not
But now we're thinking maybe 60.
Maybe 100.
You know, I don't know about that one, honey. But this is Bosnia and...
Herzegovina.
Yeah, you say
Herzegovina.
Bosnia and Herzegovina.
In Bosna and Herzegovina, Bratunac.
That was another great feed. Now we're going to go have a quick look around, and we're heading off back to Serbia. This is Orthodox Church in Bosnia. Crossing the bridge back into Serbia, over the Drina.
So that was a very full-on 2 days. We would have liked to see a little bit more of Bosnia, or the little town in Bosnia that we went to. But Kevin's cousins are working tomorrow, and we've got to get ready and get on that plane to Paris. So we're heading back now. Maybe next time we'll see a little bit more of Bosnia. For now, we had lunch there, so
Yes, we did.
that was good. And we've had a great time with Kevin's family.
We have. As usual in travels, there's never enough time.
Especially when there's family involved.
Yeah.
I'm just still thinking about how many family members I didn't see. Well, we saw the most important ones.
See us next time.
Next time, yeah. Let's go back to Belgrade.
Let's go. We're standing on someone's house. Can you believe it? Look at this.
Magical.
This is all houses along the Drina River. That's still Bosnia over there. We're in Serbia. But look at this. Look how beautiful it is. Mountainous. That's the town of Zvornik over in Bosnia. Still the Drina River. It's a very long river dividing the two countries. Beautiful.